Welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. Today I will be showing you this truly unique apartment in the gated community of La Trinidad in the Golden Mile. I've always dreamt of having a property that is all on one level. To me, that's convenience, that's luxury, no stairs, no hassle. And that is exactly what we have here. More than 400 square meter built, 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms in one single property. It was originally 2 apartments joined together and made into this beautiful, amazing property. We haven't even talked yet about the most important point, and that is where this property is located. La Trinidad is without doubt one of the top-class gated communities of the Golden Mile. It has 24-hour security, indoor, outdoor pool, spa, a gym, and even a little restaurant. It's very rare to have anything for sale here, so don't miss out on this opportunity.